Hello and welcome back. Today we will be looking at decimals together. Now, decimals and fractions are just two different ways of writing the same thing. We'll take a look at some of the ones that we'll be using today. For example, let's take a look at the number 62.394. These are called decimal places. We'll take a look at these decimal places together. Let's begin at the far right. This is 3 places to the right of the decimal. These are our TH numbers. For example, this will be the tens, and this will be the tenths with the TH in it. Let's begin at the end. This is the thousandths place. Thousandths decimal place. That means that this entire decimal point is 394 over 1,000. Or 394 1,000ths. The 9 will be our hundredths place with the TH again. Without the 4 here, this is 39 100ths, 39 hundredths. And the 3 will be the tenths place, again with the TH, tenths. If the 9 and the 4 were not here, just 0.3, this will be 3 tenths. 62 and 3 tenths. 3 tenths. This will be our units or ones place. And 6 will be our tens place. And it goes on from here. We have the 100ths place, the thousands place, the 10,000ths place. We also have the 10,000ths place, and on and on. Here we are only looking at these today, our thousands, hundreds, tenths, ones and tens. Now, besides knowing the decimal place numbers, we also will need to know how to add and subtract. To add up the decimals, we simply line up the decimal places and add. To subtract, we line them up and subtract. Let's try some together. For example, 48.02 plus 19.12. Notice here we will line up the decimal places. Here are our decimal points. Let's line them up. And then we can simply add, making sure to bring down our decimal point so we don't forget that. Now let's simply add 4, 0 plus 1 is 1, 9 plus 8 is 17, carry that 1, 4, 5, 6. 48.02 plus 19.12 is 67.14. Now, let's subtract. $67.14 minus 48.02. Again, we will simply line up our decimal places. And this time we are subtracting. Let's bring down that decimal point. And here we can subtract. 4 minus 2 is 2, 1 minus 0 is 1. Now, 7 and 8, we need to carry here. Cannot take away 8 from 7. So let's change this to a 5 and a 17. Now we can take away 8 from 17. This will give us 9. And 5 minus 4 is 1. 67.14 minus 48.2 will give us 19.12. Now I will throw some practice problems onto the classroom discussion board, and our next video clip will be converting fractions to decimals and back again. That video clip will be posted shortly. I'll place the practice problems on the board, and we'll see you next time. Take care.